So I am back here in Los Angeles, and this job is now complete, and it came out exceptionally beautiful. The fence, the precast pillars, the gates, everything came out so beautiful. This is a historic property, and it took a long time to come up with the right design that would not kind of modernize this house, because it needs to fit with the area. Those precast pillars were a lot of work, but they came out really amazing. If you see on the inside of that door, there is a lot of that type of precast kind of old style look, and that's what we had to kind of accomplish with these pillars. A lot of work, a lot of time, not a cheap adventure. So if you guys at home thinking of getting something like this requires creating a mold for it and then pouring separate pieces, and every piece here is about 100 pounds. Afterwards we basically had to put them on the pre-built pillars that we did as a skeleton underneath. So altogether came out amazingly beautiful, but it was a lot of work, and it does cost a lot of money, so just something to keep in mind. The customer provided us with the light fixtures, and we added those on. We also put an intercom and a combination lock for entry and exit. The driveway gate, motorized, came out really pretty as well. As you can see, all these scrolls and designs, really beautiful work. And overall, I'm really happy with this project. Took a while altogether, but it came out really pretty. So again, Ron for Mulholland Security in this beautiful historic property in Los Angeles, and gave it a really nice facelift. That's it.